Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that what if your mobile Wi-Fi hotspot you not connecting or not working. It's saying that no internet or site can't be reached. Then what you can do if your mobile cellular has internet access but you are not able to use that hotspot function. First of all, I'm requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now I definitely help you out in this problem. What you have to do, this is my laptop as you can check out, and I'm setting the camera right now. It's over here, no internet is working. This one is my mobile phone. You have to go to the settings option of hotspot by just long pressing or going to settings, and you have to switch on your hotspot first of all. After that you have to click on hotspot settings and change the name of your hotspot as you want. As you check out, I just changed. And after that I am requesting you, please change the Wi-Fi password too if you want, and if you don't want to set any password, just choose this none, otherwise choose this WPA2 personal security passwords. Click on this right icon, save these settings. After that what you have to do, you have to remove all the data limits. If you haven't set up any data limits, then you have to remove that. If it's on, please switch it off. Now our data limits is just offed, and now if we want to connect our device, this one is our laptop, I just clicking on these settings, and after that I have to switch on Wi-Fi again, and this one is our new Wi-Fi hotspot settings. Click on this and it will asking about the password, and I am entering the password over here and clicking on the next. It asking that you really want to connect. Click on yes, and the device is now connected. Now when you use internet, you not face any problem. Yes, you are listening right, you don't even face any problem. So that's the scenario, and that's the process, that how you can easily set up your Wi-Fi hotspot so that you can easily connect onto your laptop or computer and you don't face any problem. And keep in mind, if even that it's not working, please restart your mobile phone. Hope I helped you in this problem. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this, and comment below how we helped or not.